Hi everyone, today we are going to study stress management. So before understanding how to manage stress, let us understand what are different types of strategies which are adopted by the organization as well as by the individual to cope up with stress. Now the first strategy which is adopted by organization is the role clarity. Now once the employees know that what is their role in the organization, what is his designation, what he is supposed to do on the every time basis, then he will be very clear about his performance, what is expected out of him, and he will try to manage himself accordingly. The next type of strategy is known as job redesign. Now job may be a source of stress for many individuals. They do not know how to cope up with that level of stress, and that can lead to our performance. So what an organization or a manager can do is to reshape or redesign the job of an individual. If suppose Mr. A is working on operation team and he is like, I am not able to coping up with this type of cutoff levels which I have to do, then a manager, a organization can do just shift him from A to B department, something loaning department, something other end, or marketing team, so that he is able to cope up with the stress level of that team and he is able to learn the skills and he is more comfortable about his skills now. After all, it is not switching the job, it is just to reshape the work of an individual so that you get an optimum output. Collateral programs. Now collateral programs are nothing but those are programs organized in the organization for the employees as well as the managers to handle the stress. Now these are nothing but stress management programs, some counseling programs, or some health benefit programs. There are many organizations who practice in India and abroad too. We have seen the SENS has a counseling session in the organization, and you are informed 2 days before that you will have a session from this SENS. For example, Gaur Gopal Das, we have Dandapani Maharaj, which counsels the corporates on the stress management. They give the viewpoint about your life to handle the situation and let it go. Now the next part is supportive organization culture. In this, you are giving an environment to the employees which is very supportive to you. We have companies like Google, we have companies like IKEA, we have companies like Facebook. There is no particular place for the employees. You can sit anywhere, you can sit in the garden also with a laptop and you can do your work. Relaxation. Whenever you feel very stressful or overloaded with the work, you can only sit for 10 minutes, relax, close your eyes, take a deep breath and let it go. The next is role management. Now this strategy is linked to clarity of role of the organization. Once you understand what is your role in the organization, make sure that you are very clear about it and you manage it properly. If not, then get a clarification from your boss or manager. For example, if a worker knows what is expected out of him, what is his role in the full day or the full month of the organization, he can do his work properly. ABC strategy, which is very famous for strategy for stress management. Now first, A stands for awareness. Now awareness is nothing but how do you react, what causes you stress and how do you control it. Awareness about your stressors, awareness about the situation. Now situation can be your job, your personal life, or some individual who you don't like to speak with but you have to deal with him every day basis. So that is awareness about your stress. Creating positive teamwork. Once the team is in a group and they know and understand each and every employee's work, they are more productive towards it and they know that they can give you 200% while coming out of a product. This we have experienced in the company known as Apple. Whenever they come out with a new product, there is whole group of team which has a mass communication with leadership examples. So here I would like to give example of Mr. Steve Jobs, the owner and the founder of Apple. Steve Jobs' leadership skills has contributed converting Apple into the company of biggest tech giant.